Mathizong ni Pai Crazy Arni, Diphu Goron College along Kachali pom Ariso Izang Atumpen, Citizenship Amendment Bill, Mati CAB Aputhak Kamki si Alang Litum Kecesong Asai Kedengpon, Alang Litum da Sukecesong Along Lam Kejaipon Atengki, CAB la Bangke Inglong su Akai Pan Kimisen Abil Kali, Lasi Alang Litum da Su Abil Cikroy Deng Kek Lapen Alang Litum da Su Puthak Song Pon Bom Jibuta Alang Litum, Kecesong Along Pen Jaipon.
Then where our job will go. Itu masa kuril hai ta bang na endun bom po jat bom po. Lasi pranki bang dilang arni ke. Lasi so kep dulu bulu te itu long deta me cera pe itu ma culture ta me na effect po jat po lason se itu ma khai ta me sikse dili ra ke nang lule de lang lule pusi pu. Jong se nang lule pusi ta me isi ai pe ke do laso im pe ka join ni itu ma khai long ta me mo ramo po long le la hai ta me mo cera pom jat pom po. Lasi kep bang ke itu inglong aso khai an ke upos kang ji la pen kep ke tum kai ke ta me chedon du nang ne.
Sudan unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Sudan unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Sudan unity, long live! Long live! Long live! DGCS US, long live! Long live! Long live! Go back! Go back! CIB, go back! Go back! Go back! CIB, go back! Go back! Go back! CIB, go back! Go back! Go back!
To. Còn những cái nữa, thế sẽ. Rồi, thay lang là, mình những cái đó tên
So once again, as you all know why we are gathered here, Citizenship Amendment Bill (CAB) that we must reject in the whole northeastern region, starting from here, Karbi Anglong. We must reject this CAB because why CAB we don't need? We must reject CAB because CAB is a very dangerous to the northeast people. Because if CAB is the bill is passed, then there won't be any future for our ST hills, because thousands and lakhs of Bangladeshi will be illegal immigration. They will come here and they will take all our homelands, and we will lose our culture, tradition, and language and everything. So we must reject the CAB. That we must fight until the government scrap this bill. So we will fight until the government is scrap this bill. So CAB, go back! Go back! Go back! Bangladeshi, go back! Go back! Go back! CAB, go back! Go back! Go back! Bangladeshi, go back! Go back! Go back! BJP, go! Ano sa may hema ito sa petesong sa lang ni Hongba ni. Ati CAB lagi. Kichok mane. BJP government kichok. It's a big mistake. They are taking this decision that Lok Sabha long already passed. That dito laksya tu na ano tina may itong pulpet song ni tapi itong pada unity do pe ati la bangso bila kita pas do pulo ni itong dia kunano mo bicara kita lang itu may hemari ayan bana ki jitun po itu mithang along ilong ta
Mày mà menit.
pula to nang man le po itu siru nang se ni mithang adem si mithang hem mithang along ilong si itu jehang tunang se ayan bana ta nasi itu kadu ka beta me chini nang itu non afford itu Hongba nang po itu non po chisong nang po la si itu CAB po tayo itong itong chip na pag-score nun. Pwede nila nang pula sini itong labang so.
Paturi ya sa. Kilo congressman.
Chisong ni itong labang so appeal itong cheting itong chisong nila pa itong chisong nun nila pa itong pwede nang takita nang CAB, go back!
Go back! Go back!
Bangladeshi, go back!
Go back! Go back!
Bangladeshi, go back!
Go back! Back! Go back!
CAB, go back!
Go back! Go back!
CN unity, long live!
Long live! Long live!
CN unity, long live!
Long live! Long live!
CAB, go back!
Go back! Go back!
Bangladeshi, go back!
Go back! Go back!
Non làm thế gì mà này mà đã bắt yes đã yes
Kembali ni grup tendolo mang
Wala lagi ya, duita mana karbi yang penitum dulu ke? Tuh lagi. Oh, sekarang lo.
CAB, go back!
Go back, go back!
CAB, go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! CAB, go back! Go back! Go back! CAB, go back! Go back! Go back! BJP, go back! Go back! Go back! BJP, go back! CAB, go back! Go back! Go back! Sudan unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Sudan unity, long live! Long live! Long live! DCCS US, long